Alright guys, today we are going to be opening up our Munchpak and reviewing kind of what's in it. We'll let you know where everything is from, how things taste. This one is the medium-sized one that you can get. There's a smaller pack and a bigger pack. So let's go ahead and open it. Do you need help? So when you get them, you just pull the front and then it flips open.
You got your book. Tells you once you open it where they're from, what part of the country they're from. So it comes with a whole bunch of snacks. First thing, mini wafer bites.
So sweet potato
I think they're
ube.
from Spain because it has Real Madrid on it.
Let's see.
Madrid is in Spain.
Oh no, it says Indonesia.
Oh really? Oh.
Yeah. So the book will tell you where everything is from. So you'll get these options in there. This one you had the option of 3 flavors, or we didn't really have the option. They sent us one of 3 flavors, either peanut butter, ube, or chocolate, and we got the ube, which is like a purple
Sweet potato.
Yeah, purple sweet potato.
All right, so we're gonna try it. Smells kind of sweet.
One for Sophia, one for me. Oh yeah, it does smell sweet.
Come on. All right, so ready? 1, 2, 3, try it.
I don't like it.
Yeah.
The sweet
I
potato,
don't really like sweet potato.
it's almost like a vanilla.
This is what it looks like.
Purple on the inside.
Yeah. The wafer thing, pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah. As far as like wafer cookies go, I would probably say it's in my top 3.
So that's that.
All right, next.
Let's do Torres Select Black Truffle Potato Chips.
Potato chips.
Where are they from?
They are from Spain. These ones are from
Okay,
Spain.
Black Truffle, that's mushroom flavor. Oh,
Here,
okay.
you also have scissors.
That is a silly flavor.
Alright.
You want mushroom flavor? You think it's silly?
Yeah.
All right,
Sophia?
Sophia.
Mom.
Mom.
Hello.
Ooh, they definitely smell earthy.
Okay. Ugh. Yeah.
These are not my favorite chip that I've had. It's a lot like mushroom.
Yeah.
It's a lot of mushroom.
But I like it.
If you like
Eva likes it.
mushrooms,
I like
yeah, it kind of tastes weird at first, but after you eat it, it tastes pretty good.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Let's do the smog balls.
And we got, wait, what is this?
What is that? That is gummy sushi.
Oh, gummy raindrops.
That's from the Netherlands.
Gummy sushi.
Oh,
Is that what that says? Yeah.
Mini gummy sushi.
Yeah, Netherlands style.
So it comes on a little plate. Looks like
I'll play
little
sushi.
things of sushi.
That one looks like an avocado.
Yeah. Nope.
Oh, yeah, you take part and then Sophia can take part.
Right here.
Here you go, Paul.
Have that one with
These are like hard
Oh.
gummies.
Marshmallow looking thing.
Oh, yeah.
Power, Mama.
Yeah, these are pretty like firm gummies.
Okay. Try it.
It smells like vomit. I can't bite through this gummy. The marshmallow is orange flavored on this one, which is pretty good. I've never had an orange flavored marshmallow, and that's very good. Sophia's having a really hard time biting her gummy too.
Uh-oh.
Mine was really hard.
How is it?
Good.
You like it?
I like
Okay.
it, Mommy.
Now up next, sour smog balls.
Sour.
Crunchy candy with a sour chewy center.
Pakistan.
Pakistan candy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nothing in that one.
Okay.
Says
Nothing in that one. Ooh.
The fiendish plot of Dr. Smog.
Mom, can you give me?
Yep.
Has like a little story on the back of it, it looks like.
Alright, we're gonna try it.
It says these sour candy balls are one bite of toxic waste you'll never want to eat again. Ooh. I don't know how that sounds.
Okay.
It says flavors are blue raspberry, lime, cherry, strawberry, lemon, and grape. Here, Sophia, take one.
Here.
Let's see what
How about-
happens.
Hold on.
Okay. Well, you can eat yours in a minute then, okay?
Okay. They're hard.
Mm-hmm. That's like a jawbreaker. Sophia, here, you probably shouldn't have that.
I don't think
It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's
so
not sour.
it's not sour, Mama.
kind of weird. I don't know. We'll get to the middle in a little bit, probably.
Yeah. Oh, the middle of it's chewy.
No. This one's crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
Try it.
No, I'm okay.
Oh yeah.
The middle is sour.
Okay.
Okay.
Try it.
So first it's
Crunchy.
sweet and then it's sour.
Mhm.
It's really sour. It's
Mm.
really sour.
Pretty good, I think.
Yeah. Let's do this one.
The cheeky
Crispy. It's from Costa Rica.
from Costa Rica. It looks like a cookie with chocolate in the middle.
Cheeky cookies are thin and crispy. Vanilla cookie sandwiching rich chocolate cream.
Where are they from again?
Costa Rica.
Costa Rica.
Oh, they're like sandwich cookies.
Okay.
I'll share it with Bo.
Yeah.
Here, Bo.
This is what it looks like.
You gonna share with Eva?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they smell weird.
Mm. Mm.
Mm.
I'm scared to try this.
You don't have to eat it. It's sour. It's okay.
It's alright. Not very sweet.
Yeah. I think that's a big difference between like American treats and other parts of the world. Is a lot of times like their chocolate is not like super sweet. So this one's not super sweet. It's okay. I don't know if I'd eat it again. It's okay.
Okay. We got cookies and cream wafer bites.
Cookies and cream wafer bites are from Italy. They look pretty good. They're half as good as the other wafers. Will be in business here.
Okay.
Careful of this. Okay. They smell good?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Here's Sophia.
They're really dark.
Yeah. Ooh, they smell chocolatey.
I just already ate mine. All of
Oh.
it. I just put the whole thing in my mouth.
I think this is better than the other ones.
Mama, I put the whole thing in my mouth.
Kind of more like an Oreo taste.
Alright. Let's see what we got. Oh,
Oh
Nutella. Be ready.
yeah. Nutella, be ready. Like little Nutella bars.
I think I've tried these before.
These are from Poland.
Ooh, Poland.
Yeah.
Probably
They,
gonna be
they look
pretty
like
good,
little
though.
mini baguettes filled with Nutella. It says there's 2 of them in there. So
Oh, they come individually wrapped.
oh, that's
So
pretty
we can
cool.
just take one and share it.
Yeah. Just take one. It does look like a little baguette.
Yep.
It looks like red.
Here, Abba. And then I'll share with Sophia.
Mm. Really crunchy.
Mm-hmm. I don't like the bread part, but the inside is Nutella, so it's good.
Okay.
Ooh, it's like eating a big spoonful of Nutella, though. That really like stuck to my mouth.
And this, I don't know what this is.
That's from Japan. It says it's a mozzarella candy, I guess. I don't know.
Mozzarella candy.
Mozzarella treats. Savory and crunchy stick.
Where is it from?
Japan. Ooh.
Oh.
Oh, it's kind of like a Funyun, but like mozzarella flavored.
You know what? That was pretty good.
Yeah, it is.
I wasn't sure by the smell, but
Oh yeah, the smell is not good, but it tastes pretty good. It does taste like a mozzarella stick, but Funyun textured.
now we got serendipity, grab it, dip it, peanut butter sticks, raspberry jam. That's weird. It's like a big, you know, the crackers and cheese.
Yeah.
Where's this one from?
I am looking. It is from Poland.
Poland.
I want that.
All right, let's see. This is
Sophia did not like that.
I do.
okay.
She's trying to bite it, Mom.
Peanut butter jelly. So they're peanut butter filled, and then you
No.
dip it in a jelly.
I think they're just peanut butter flavored sticks, and then
Oh.
you dip it in the jelly.
I don't want her
Okay.
jelly.
Okay. You want just the stick? Peanut butter.
Ooh, it definitely smells like those Uncrustables.
Mommy, yeah, it does.
Yeah, these are pretty good. They have peanut butter on the inside. Yeah.
Well, no, I tell you.
Pretty good.
I'd eat those again.
And then lastly, we got
Got a bag of gummies.
Frugele
Chile.
Gomitas.
Sweet and
Duranzo.
sour mixed with loop rings.
What flavor is it?
Citric
Oh, the favorite.
is what it says. Citric flavored.
What's Duranzo?
But yeah, it's from Chile.
Oh. Alright. They're all the same. This is what it looks like. Comes with little individually wrapped ones.
Oh.
Pretty soft. So.
Okay, here's Sophia. Oh. They look like the Dots candies, but square. Here, I need one.
Oh no, there's different flavors. Okay.
Mommy, Sophia has stars and I have dots.
I don't speak Chilean, so I don't
My
know.
feet. Mom, just feet.
Yeah, that's pretty good. The one I have is like an apple flavor, I think.
This is orange. We just had red. This is orange. You want some?
No, I want her my
Yeah, those are pretty good. I like the flavor on
Can I
them.
have my own? Can I have the
And the texture, it's very like squishy.
It's like a gumdrop.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try the green one. You want to try?
No.
Okay.
So there we go. And that's what's in our munch pack. We
Okay.
get this every month, and we'll be doing more videos and showing you more snacks from around the world.
Which one was your favorite out of all these?
Can I try?
My favorite?
Can I try?
That first wafer thing that we had.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Deca.
Yeah, these were delicious.
These were really good.
Oh,
Least
and
favorite.
the serendipities. Oh, my least favorite? The sushi gummy. It was so hard for me to bite through this. It is like a rock.
I didn't really like these ones.
Oh yeah, I didn't really like those either actually.
I like this.
Alright, we'll see you guys next month when our next one comes.
Bye!